Hi, I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles, where we're showcasing the best in new home design from across the country. Today we're with Lennar in Alpharetta, Georgia, taking a look at the Briarstone at Nesbit Lake. Rachel Brogans is going to show us around the Stanton model. Rachel, take it away.
I'm here in our model home. It is the Stanton home design. It's a master on Main. I'm starting here at the front door and panning around to our home office. Now, I have to come to work every day, but I still enjoy having a home office to keep all of my papers and bills and things. So this is a great room with windows, lots of nice light coming in. And then we have a fantastic dining room here off the front door to the left. As you can see, we've got a big table as well as a piece of furniture there behind and lots of windows. Now, one of my favorite parts about this house is the two-story family room. It really gives this house a lot of light. Today in Georgia, it's kind of a dreary, cold day, but this room is still full of light. And I actually do have on my fireplace to warm us up. Now, for the people who love to cook who are watching today, I want to give you a view of this fantastic kitchen and this island, which is probably one of the biggest ones you've ever seen. Our homes come with KitchenAid appliances. We've got double ovens here. And again, we've got a lot of windows in this room, plenty of space for a king-size bed. We'll go in the bathroom in just a minute, but I want to give you the view of the back deck again. You've got this door, and I don't know if you've noticed, but we do have 10-foot ceilings, and then we have 8-foot doors on this level. And now, one of the showstoppers of this home is this fantastic master bath with the freestanding soaker tub and this incredible shower. This is a standard feature in this home, and we've got the two doors. I'm going to go on through the shower to give you the full effect. Double shower heads, double soap niches, double doors. And we also have a bench in here if you want to just hang out and pretend like you're at the spa, because really, what better place to enjoy than your own bathroom? Double sinks here. And now, I know all the ladies watching are going to want to see the closet. This is got the closet made system in, which I think is just amazing. Plenty of space. If you've got to share a closet, you want to make sure that there's room for both. And then we go around the corner and there's more space. Double racks. Now on this level, as I mentioned, we're in the master bedroom, but we also have a powder room for your guests and a really cool mud room that I'm going to take you to next. Access to the garage there. Here's our powder room. And then this is what we call the coat valet. Back at the front of the house now, we're going to take a look upstairs. There is a teen suite up here. I'm going to start there. This bedroom has plenty of space for a bed and furniture. Nice big dresser here on this wall. But this is the best kept secret. A nice little gathering or teen suite, place to watch TV or make it a study space. Good place for the kids to have on their own. Also, a big walk-in closet. And access to a Jack and Jill bath here. I'm going to take you across the hall. This is another bedroom, but this one has its own private bath. All of our rooms are going to have walk-in closets, so plenty of space for all those things that our kids have nowadays. Tons of shoes, clothes, all those video game cartridges. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, and then one surprise I'm going to save till the end. And this is the final of the bedrooms. Big spacious bedrooms. As you can see, this one has 2 twin beds plus furniture and a tent. And then the bathroom. While we go back this way, I want to show you the overview of this family room and kitchen. One of my favorite spots in the house. And then this game room is one of my favorite parts of this house. Imagine having parties here. It's a great place to watch movies or play games. Or maybe you let the kids have this spot and you have a relaxing time down in the family room. Great thing about this house is there's room for everybody. Lots of good features. Now, one other thing about this particular home is it does have a finished basement, but I'm going to save that for when you come to see me in person. I'm thrilled to get to do this with you today. I hope you'll come out to take a look at our homes here at Briarstone at Nesbit Lakes in Alpharetta.
Thanks, Rachel. Be sure to tune in each day, noon Central Standard Time, for a new home showcase.